Running an online store can take a lot of time. We know because we're store owners too. You've got emails to answer, orders to fill, products to list, blogs to write, stacks of money to count. The list goes on and on. Well, now there's at least one thing you can check off your list forever. Meet your new social media marketing best friend. It's called the Social Triggers app. It's a simple but extremely effective way to put a large chunk of your daily social media tasks on autopilot. When you add a new product to your store or write a new blog article, the app will automatically post it to Twitter for you. Bam! Done! Kick your feet up and set it on autopilot. It takes less than 5 minutes to set it up, so you can be up and running today. Let me show you how it works. The first thing you'll do is connect to your Twitter accounts. Select which accounts you'd like to use and log in with your credentials. Next, put on your marketing hat and compose a few good tweets, and then you're done. The app will randomly post the different messages so you don't sound like a robot when it tweets. Nobody likes a robot. Plus, you can also come back here and change up these messages from time to time as much as you want. Want to know what else makes you look like a robot? 100 tweets in a row. So we built in the ability to set a time delay so it doesn't post a bunch in a row and make you look like one of those types. You know, the tweet happy people that I'm talking about. When you're composing the message, simply use the merge fields to put the product name and link where you want it. And yes, the link will be automatically shortened. Also, as you're composing your message, it'll show you roughly how many characters you've got left. Pretty neat, eh? That's it. Just do that for the products and the blog section, and you're ready to rock. Now, when you add a product to your store, it will automatically get posted later that day with one of our masterfully composed tweets. Now, unfortunately, this app does not come with a free trial. But the good news is it's free forever, so you don't need one. So go ahead and install this app, and then check tweet about new products and blogs off the list. With this app, it's done forever. We strongly believe this is an app that every Shopify store should use, so we're giving it away for free. Enjoy.